Hi guys, it's your girl Pammy here from Initial POV and welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm here to explain why I've been gone and why I'm back and where I've been. So I finally have a legit explanation for you guys. So, are you guys ready? Ta-da! So this is why I have been MIA. You guys know my vlogs have been missing. I haven't been doing any like personal videos or whatsoever, and this is the main reason why I've been gone. I've been working on this for over a year. My sister and I, our company is called Two Sister Foods LLC, and today, if you guys follow me on Facebook or on my Instagram, we just recently launched our Samthang Papaya sauce. Two Sister Foods LLC crafted this amazing, flavorful, bold, tasteful specialty sauce that infuses all of your sensory components except bitterness that will awaken your senses. So it's amazing, guys. If you guys don't know what papaya sauce, it's basically a sauce that is basically all in one. It has salt, sugar, everything. Just, you don't need to add anything in our sauce. And you pour this over shredded papaya, add your garlic, add your spice, which is pepper. Want tomatoes, green tomatoes, whatever you want. Pour it in, condiments. Everything is all set to go. You don't need anything. It's not messy. It's literally your all-in-one dressing. It saves time. It's convenient. And for me, that sold to me. That's why I initially wanted to create a sauce that was everything in one. I love papaya myself. I eat papaya for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. An amazing thing is we are state and FDA approved, so we can finally sell this to you guys. It's amazing. No MSG. So I don't want to talk too much about this because I want you guys to head over to our Two Sister Foods LLC Facebook page so you guys can enter into our giveaway. Right now we are running a giveaway, and I can't tell you guys exactly what it is, so you guys are going to have to go over to our Facebook page at Two Sister Foods LLC, and I'll link everything down in the info box below for you guys. If you guys have never tried this, it doesn't hurt to enter. Alright guys, I hope you guys go over to our Facebook page, and I hope to see you guys soon. I hope to see you guys in our giveaway, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!